Introduction. ECDIS or Electronic Chart Display and Information System is a vital tool for modern navigation. It integrates data from radar, AIS, and other systems for safe and efficient voyage planning. Proper integration helps reduce human error and improve situational awareness. Radar overview. Radar or radio detection and ranging detects and display objects around the vessel using radio waves. It shows ship, land masses, buoys, and obstacles, especially useful in low visibility. Advantages of radar. Work in darkness, fog, and poor weather. Helps detect and track targets not visible to the eye. Assist in collision avoidance and position verification. Provides real-time updates of the surrounding area. So if this cannot be useful if there's no radar, because radar is very important because it can work in darkness, fog, and poor weather, and you can detect or see targets through radar even if uh, the weather or restricted visibility. You can see in your eye by visual or by sight. You can use radar to detect or determine if there is any object or vessel in your area. Disadvantage of radar. Accuracy can be affected by weather, sea clutter, and interference. So it can be affected, but in today's radar, interference, weather, and sea clutter can be reduced if you use some features in radar. Requires constant monitoring and adjustment. Small or low objects may not always be detected, so there are times, sometimes if there is small objects, there, there is a possibility that radar cannot detect them. And lastly, may lead to over-reliance if used without visual confirmation. If you rely on radar, over-reliance on radar without visual confirmation by your sight, it can also cause um, can can also cause um, it can also cause accidents. Radar targets on ICDIS. Radar targets are displayed as overlaid symbols on ICDIS chart. They show the location, course, and speed of detected vessels. It helps identifying nearby traffic and potential collision risks. It can help to identify. Advantages of radar targets. It improves situational awareness by merging radar and chart data, assist in collision avoidance and route monitoring, enhances decision making during navigation. Disadvantage of radar targets. It may cause display clutter when too many targets appear. Delay or lag in updates can mislead operators. Incorrect settings or calibration errors may show false targets. AIS overlay overview. AIS or Automatic Identification System transmits information such as vessel's name, course, and speed. AIS overlay shows this information directly on the ECDIS display. Advantages of AIS overlay. It provides detailed ship information beyond radar shows. Helps in identifying nearby vessel and their intentions. Supports collision avoidance and traffic monitoring. Useful for voyage planning and vessel traffic service or VTS operations. Disadvantage of AIS overlays. Relies on transmission from the vessels, may fail if AIS is off or malfunctioning. Incorrect or falsified data can lead to confusion. Over-dependence on AIS may reduce visual lookout vigilance rather. Other interference equipment. Zero Compass provides heading data, speed log, shows vessel speed through water or ground. Echo Sounder, it indicates water depth. GPS or global positioning system gives precise positioning data. This system enhances ICDIS accuracy and functionality. Advantages of interface equipment. Increase accuracy and automation in navigation. Reduces manual errors and improve efficiency. Allows real-time monitoring of vessel performance. Enhances overall navigational safety. Disadvantage of interface equipment. System failure or data errors can affect all connected devices. Needs regular maintenance and calibration. Power or network failure may disrupt multiple functions. Can cause over-reliance on automation and reduce human vigilance. Conclusion. ICDIS and its interface system greatly enhance navigation safety when used properly. However, human skills and judgment remains essential, of course. Mariners should use ICDIS and as an aid, not a replacement of seamanship. So, ICDIS is only a tool for human. It makes easier for navigation, but do not over rely on ICDIS and trust human or trust your skills. Do not trust ICDIS 100%. That's all. Thank you.